Are you looking for a simple way to build trust with your website visitors? Have you ever wondered how to showcase real customer feedback directly on your Wix site? If so, adding Google reviews might be exactly what you need. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through how to add Google reviews to your Wix website using a few different methods. You will learn step-by-step options that fit different needs, whether you want something quick, customizable, or completely manual. Let's jump right in. Customer reviews are a powerful way to show potential customers that your business is trustworthy and worth their time. When people see feedback from real customers, it helps build credibility and encourages them to take the next step. That kind of social proof can make a big difference in how your business is perceived. Bringing those reviews onto your Wix website is a smart move. However, Wix does not offer a built-in feature that pulls in Google reviews automatically. That means you need to use a workaround to display them on your site. The good news is that there are several effective ways to make it happen. Each method comes with its own benefits depending on your preferences and goals. The first option is to use a Wix app, which is the easiest and most straightforward approach. These apps are designed specifically to extend your website's functionality without requiring technical skills. You can find them directly within your Wix dashboard. This method is ideal if you want a simple setup. To get started, open your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Wix app market. From there, you can browse or search for apps that help display Google reviews. Typing in Google reviews will bring up a list of options. Once you find one that fits your needs, you can install it. After installing the app, you will need to configure its settings. Some apps are free, while others may require a paid plan to unlock full features. Depending on the app you choose, you might need to connect it to your Google account or business listing. Once everything is set up, your reviews will appear on your site. This approach works well because it requires no coding at all. The apps are designed to integrate smoothly with Wix, making the process simple. Many of them are also automatically updated as new reviews are added, so you do not have to manage updates yourself. On top of that, you can often customize how the reviews look on your site. If you prefer a free alternative, the second option is to use a Google Reviews widget. Widgets are lightweight tools that allow you to embed specific features into your site. They are easy to use and do not require any technical background. This makes them a great choice for beginners. One popular option is the Jotform Google Reviews widget. To use it, you will need a Jotform account, which you can create for free. Once you have access, you can begin customizing the widget. This includes connecting it to your business and adjusting its design. You can choose how the widget looks by selecting layouts, colors, and styles that match your website. This ensures that the reviews blend seamlessly with your branding. After customizing, the widget will generate an embed code for you. This code is what allows you to display the reviews on your site. Next, head over to the Wix editor and add an embed code element. Paste the code provided by the widget, and your Google reviews will appear on your website. The process is quick and does not require any advanced setup. It is a simple copy and paste solution. This method stands out because it is completely free and still offers a high level of customization. You can choose layouts like sliders or carousels to present reviews in a visually appealing way. The widget handles the technical side. There is no coding needed. It is a practical and cost-effective solution. The third option is to add Google reviews manually. This approach works best if you only want to display a small number of selected reviews. It gives you full control over which feedback appears on your site. However, it does require more effort over time. To add Google reviews manually, go through your Google reviews and pick the ones that best represent your business. Focus on reviews that highlight your strengths and resonate with your audience. Once you have chosen them, you can copy the text or take screenshots. Including the reviewer's name helps add authenticity. After gathering your selected reviews, you can add them directly to your website using the Wix editor. Place them wherever they make the most sense on your pages. This could be on your homepage, a testimonial section, or product pages. Keep in mind that you will need to update these manually as new reviews come in. Even though this method takes more time, it offers some advantages. You have complete control over the content you display. There are no ongoing costs since you are not using any third-party tools. It also allows you to avoid automatically showing negative reviews. The fourth option is to embed Google Maps instead of full reviews. This is useful if you want to show your star rating without displaying individual comments. It still provides a level of social proof while keeping your site clean and simple. This method is especially helpful for physical businesses. To do this, use the built-in Google Maps feature in the Wix editor. You can find it under the Add Elements section. Once added, you can customize the map settings to match your design preferences. This includes adjusting the zoom level and layout. You will also need to choose a map style and pin that fits your branding. The pin should be easy to spot so visitors know where to click. When users click on the pin, they can view your business details and star rating. However, the rating may not always be immediately visible. This approach works because it uses a native Wix feature, so there's no need for additional tools. It is also a good option if you want to highlight your location along with your reputation. While it does not show full reviews, it still builds trust through your rating. It is a simple and integrated solution. At the end of the day, adding Google reviews to your Wix website is all about building trust with your audience. Each method offers a different way to achieve that goal. Whether you choose an app, a widget, a manual approach, or Google Maps, you have flexible options. Among these, using a widget stands out as a strong choice because it combines ease of use with customization and no extra cost. It allows you to display reviews dynamically without much effort. Plus, it integrates smoothly into your site. That makes it a reliable option for many users. Beyond Google reviews, there are also other tools that can enhance your website experience. For example, you can add a Jotform AI chatbot that engages visitors. Enhancements like these can help you create a more dynamic online presence. Thanks for watching. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and I hope this helped you find the best way to add Google reviews to your Wix site. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips, and I will see you in the next video.